Hi guys, we came to the car museum. If you are a fan of classic vintage cars, be sure to visit this museum. The museum collection has more than 100 cars produced at the beginning of the 20th century. Mia, let me take you. Where do you need, Mia?
Ollie, let's go for a ride and see what cars are here.
Let's go! The Sharjah Vintage Car Museum is divided into 5 departments, which present cars from Ford Model T to MG Midget 1974. Do not miss the opportunity to see the 1969 Mercedes Pullman limousine, created specifically for the ruler of Sharjah. There are only about 2,000 such cars worldwide. All cars are lovingly restored and polished to such an extent that you can see your reflection in them. In the museum, you can learn about the evolution of cars and view old ads from each era. There is an informative interactive zone for children where you can sit in the car, touch various parts and play on the simulator. Mia, let's make a puzzle to the end.
Okay, Ollie, but then we'll go admire the cars. They're so beautiful here.
Yes, Mia, I agree, but look at this engine. The museum was opened in 2008. A major reconstruction was carried out in 2013, which made it even more popular. Each section in this museum is a separate section that shows different vehicles of different years. In total, the exhibition presents such well-known brands as Delaney Belleville, Rolls-Royce Triumph Tier 3, and sporty MG. The oldest car currently presented at the exhibition is the 1915 model, and the newest is 1960.
Ollie, look what the car numbers used to be. I like this number.
Yes, Mia, all the car plates are very cool.
Look at these tires, Ollie.
I hope you admired the splendor of the largest collection of vintage cars in the place with us. This is the end of our excursion to Sharjah. We really liked it, while the guys.
Bye, guys. See you.